Hi guys, this is Tantred Mosu and I'm from Farmhouse on the Hill. Yeah, I wanted to show you guys around and some of the animals I have. This is my female cow. Her name is Midline. Midline, say, oh, don't be mean. Say hi to everyone. She's the one. And this is my boo, the boy. His name is Keeper. Keeper, say hi. Yeah, they don't talk. I was just joking. Yeah, and this is my goose. They are a pair, and that's where their egg is located. Can you see them? Esmail, Carlo, say hi. Yeah, they are sometimes loud. And this is my cat. Look what I have, and let me show you guys around. So, this is my rabbit. It's somehow dark, but I know you guys can still see. This is my rabbit. I have a very big rabbit farm. Hope you can see. Today is just mainly for everybody to see what I have, what I'm wearing, yeah, what I keep, sort of. So these are the young ones. These are the young ones. So and take a look. And yeah, let's take you guys to the hens and the chicken. We are going to the chicken scoop now. Yeah, these are all my chicken. That's the rooster, and those are the ladies. Can you see them? Hope you guys can see them. Yeah, have just 5 chickens, and that's why it's because why I have just 5 chickens, because my farm, I'm just starting my farm all over again. So I lost many birds, so I had to clean everywhere and set everywhere up for the next farm. So that, yeah, let me show you the babies they hatched early this year during March. Yeah, last month they hatched a lot of babies, and those are the babies. See, just one hen, she laid and hatched one of the babies. I'm coming. Let me show you guys. So this is the baby, and I don't know what to do about it. So these are their chicks, just 2 babies. See, that's making it. Hope you guys are seeing. That's making it. Yeah, those are the chick. Hope you're seeing them. Just 2. The entire 10 eggs, but they laid 12 eggs altogether. So one decided to cover, and when she did, just 2 hatched, and these are the. Today here are the remaining. The Rex that I ordered from eBay, that I bought from eBay. They are the ones. Yeah, those are the ones I bought from eBay. Bought online. Yeah. And I don't know the breed. But don't worry, we'll be seeing.